Okay guys, so I brought my batteries in. They've been plugged into the solar panel all day, and I've just brought them inside, and what do you know, can you see that? Not showing up on the camera, not very well anyway. Let me see if I can zoom. You see that? There's a flashing light around the USB port. Now I'm not sure whether I didn't see that in daylight because it was bright outside, or whether I didn't have a good connection to the solar panel. Maybe the solar panel doesn't output a high enough power. Maybe I'll have to just charge the battery pack and then charge these from the battery pack. But what do you know? They do flash. Well, you live and you learn. Well, that answers that question then. So I will be able to tell when they're charged. I'm not sure if the light's solid or if the light will go off. I don't know. I guess we'll see. Okay, mystery solved. Okay guys, it's a follow-up to yesterday's video on my new AA batteries that are kind of recharged via USB. I'm zoomed in here. If you can see right on the USB socket where the cable is going into the battery, see the green flashing light. Now that works while there's one dog's just walked in front of the panel. Tina, move out the way, sweetheart. Tina, move. Okay, I've got one battery plugged in on this cable, and this panel is supposed to be able to take 2 cables, and each cable can do 2 batteries. Let me plug a second battery in and see what happens. Now it doesn't matter what I do. It doesn't matter if I put the 2 batteries on the same cable in the same port, or if I put them on different ports on the panel. Nothing, no flashing. And I think this is what happened yesterday. Well, yesterday I had all 4 batteries. I had 4 batteries plugged in at once. Nothing. Let me show you what happens when I unplug one. They're a bit of a... There you go. Can you see flashing straight away the one that's remaining? So if I'm charging live from the panel, I can only do 1 battery, which is why I think the best decision is to just not do it that way. Is it charging? Tell me if you see some flashing lights. I believe so. So charge the power bank through the day, and then I'll charge the batteries from the power bank at night. Oh, I'm getting old. Struggling to stand up, folks. So that's a little bit disappointing, but I'll manage. I will manage. But you can see that they flash while charging, and the green light goes solid once they are charged. So that at least there is an indication. That's what I was wondering yesterday. I should have read the batteries. I've got a photo or two. I'll stick a photo here that shows, it actually says on the batteries that the green light flashes while charging and becomes solid once charged. I should have put my glasses on and read properly. Okay folks, quick shot of her ladyship, and we're done. Delta Mike out.